Throughout life, the body's immune system plays a key role in its defense against harmful invaders. Bacteria cause tetanus, venereal disease, and tooth decay. Fungi cause athlete's foot. Parasites like protozoa cause malaria. Parasitic worms cause hookworm and schistosomiasis. Viruses cause polio, syphilis, herpes, and perhaps some cancers. In addition, immune system imperfections lead to such problems as allergies and acquired immunity deficiency syndromes, AIDS. This is a report on our current understanding of the body's immune system. The body's immune system includes a self-contained army of cells and chemicals that defend those cells attacked by invading antigens from outside. Microcinematography clarifies this process. All the defender cells, called leukocytes, and defender molecules are carried by the arteries, veins, and capillaries to sites of infection. Time-lapse filming reveals normal body cells undergoing movement and growth. Such normal cells shown here dividing consist of a nucleus surrounded by jelly-like cytoplasm with a complex outer membrane. One form of antigen invader, the virus, attacks and destroys cells directly. Attaching to cell membranes, viruses inject nucleic acids, which take over the cell's genetic mechanism, so viruses multiply within the cell. The boiling effect is due to the tiny viruses which cause lesions. Released, they infect nearby tissue, so the infection spreads. How is the virus infection eliminated? Time-lapse filming shows lymphocytes hunting virus-infected cells. Contacting cell surfaces, they inject lymphotoxins, which poison and kill infected cells. Or they puncture cell membranes, causing leaks, which lead to cell death. The lymphocytes select and kill only cells containing the virus. Normal, healthy cells are left intact. The antibodies in this animation are molecules with specific immune system roles. Produced by lymphocytes, one class of antibodies combines with antigens to inactivate them directly. Other cells, called phagocytes, are directed by immune system chemicals into the infected areas, whereupon they close in on antigens and attach to them. Phagocytes then engulf the invaders, and the foreign substance is digested and neutralized. Besides engulfing antigens, phagocytes may, aided by other immune system components, kill them directly. The immune process is complex and difficult to visualize. Here, using animation, we can view a simplification. Invading antigens, in this case viruses, enter the body and seek out vulnerable tissue. Attaching to cell membranes, viruses cause cell surface alterations. Gaining control, the viruses copy themselves in large numbers, mature, and blow up the cells, releasing the new viruses. These scatter and attack more cells. As the viruses multiply, so the infection spreads. To ward off the infection, an immune response must occur. The first step, defender cells must be able to recognize viruses and virus-infected cells. The virus antigen may actually contact a phagocyte, which then processes and makes available antigen material to the T cell, another component of the immune system. In any case, the phagocyte gives an antigen description to the T cell or T leukocyte. This T cell processes it and becomes activated. It can now recognize viruses and virus-infected cells. The T cell response is to increase the number of defender cells. The immune system now makes many types of T cells, helpers, killers, and others, all of whom can recognize the invader antigen. Orders also go out to other defender cells. One set of orders commands special killer cells to attack infected cells. Only those already invaded by virus antigens are destroyed. T cell messages are sent as chemicals. The first chemical message, MAF, macrophage activating factor, alerts and arms all phagocytes against the virus antigen. A second chemical message, chemotaxic factor, CF, directs phagocytes to the battle zone. As they arrive, a third chemical message, MIF, migration inhibition factor, keeps them in the infected zone. The phagocytes recognize the enemy by special cell surface qualities, then kill those infected cells, engulf virus particles and debris, and digest them. However, phagocytes may also be overwhelmed, giving the antigens the upper hand. The T cell then signals for more defenders with the chemical messenger MF, mitogenic factor. Of these, the B cells make antibodies, molecules which destroy this particular invader virus. Antibodies may kill the virus directly or bind several viruses together so phagocytes and killer cells can destroy them. Antibodies can also adhere to antigen-coated cells, helping phagocytes and killer cells to destroy them. Other specialized T cells joining the body's defense include the helper cells, which communicate with T cells and B cells in making antibodies. The B cells stockpile antibodies for future use, strengthening the body's immune response. Other T cells, the suppressor cells, regulate and inhibit antibody production. A lymphotoxin, a biochemical substance, is released which destroys virus-filled cells. Another biochemical substance, interferon, or IF, inactivates viruses. New defenders, including mediator cells, are directed to the infection by MSF, migration stimulation factor. The cells carry biologically active molecules which prepare access routes to the infection by slowing blood flow and widening blood vessel pores, giving defender cells quicker access to the viruses. Meanwhile, natural killer cells patrol the body, destroying virus-infected body cells. They also play a key role in dealing with various cancers. The new B's, T's, mediators, and phagocytes vanquish the antigen. But many are dead and some tissue destroyed. More phagocytes move in to clear away the debris and dead tissue. Gradually, destroyed cells are replaced by new ones. Healing occurs, and the body's immune response remains victorious. Although the immune system wins most battles against diseases, in some cases invaders may be difficult to destroy and can bypass the cellular and chemical defenses. In such cases, the battle may rage on, seriously damaging body tissue, and new clinical problems may ensue, thereby requiring medical intervention. Nevertheless, in recent years, fundamental discoveries in immunology have profoundly advanced the development of every branch of medicine and surgery. Science's expanding knowledge of the immune response appears to be a major key to the preservation of good health, from infancy to old age.